How to find low competition keywords for SEO. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to find low competition keywords for your SEO of your blog, of your social media and your e-commerce platform. So let's get into it. Today I will actually be telling you about different platforms that you can use in order to find the low competition keywords, and you can go ahead and check them out, all of them, or the one that you prefer, the one that you think is good for you. You will be able to then find the right keywords for your business, for your e-commerce store, and grow it. So let's get into the list. First of all, we have href. Simply go to href.com and you will land right here. I will be giving you an overview about these platforms, their pricing plan, and how you can actually sign up. So on hrefs.com, it is an SEO platform, also works on your keyword search. With href, you will be getting your own keyword explorer, and it also gives you more options with the pricing plan. Href is not a free platform. You can sign up for a plan. So let me show you the pricing plan really quickly and also show you the features we are getting. It will help you find the right keywords and low competition keyword. You can see it starts from $99. It is a light plan, and then we have a standard, which is going to be $199, and then there is an advanced, which is going to be $399, and enterprise is going to be $999. So this is the pricing plan for href, and you can see with $99 you're getting your own keyword explorer. Find winning keyword ideas from our industry leading database. With the different pricing plan, you're getting more options, and with this one right here, you can also get your own Google Data Studio. Then there is Content Explorer, there are link builders, domain comparison is available. So you can actually compare different domains, you can compare the keywords and find the low competition keywords for your business. What are low competition keyword? That means that the words that are actually doing pretty good, that are keywords, but they have low competition right now. Of course, if there's low competition, we will be able to work on the SEO and rank our website higher. When it comes to the tool, we're getting a main dashboard. With the dashboard, we get a high level view of all of our projects and track our SEO performance and progress. So you can go ahead and check out href.com. I showed you the pricing plan. You just need to sign up. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or email address once you have the plan. So you can go ahead and check it out, and you will be able to find low competition keywords for your website, blog, or your store. Moving on, we have Google Keyword Planner. Now, this is one of the platforms that I would suggest to all the beginners out there, and there's nothing complicated about Google Keyword Planner. And what's better than Google's own tool to help you with the keyword to rank higher on Google search result? So this is actually one of the platforms that is, very good for your keyword research because it is powered by Google. So you can just go to ads.google.com/keyword planner. It is provided by Google, and you will be able to find the right keywords that can get your ad in front of the right customers. It gets the traffic directly from Google, and you get the organic results on this platform. It allows you to do a keyword research. You will be able to add your words and get your researches back. You just type in the word, of course, and you will know that, okay, 2 million people are searching for this one. 500k people are searching for this word. This is the keyword, and this one has a low competition as compared to others. So this is how we manage our time. Signing up with Google Ads is really easy and it's free. So you can just click on sign in or sign up. If you have a Google account, then it will be really easy for you to just sign into your Google Ads, and it will take you right here. And with Google Ads, you're getting your Google Keyword Planner. You can also plan your content creation with Google Keyword Planner, and you can also share your ideas with your team. So it's an all-in-one platform when we talk about Google Keyword Planner. So go ahead and check it out if you're looking for a platform to find the low competition keywords. Moving on, we have Google Trends. Now, this is one of the platforms that a lot of people do not know about. And when it comes to finding a low competition keywords, people don't consider this. But let me tell you, this is actually a pretty good platform to know which word is doing good and from where we're getting the traffic and what are the words that have low competition. I personally use Google Trends as well. It's completely free and it's very good for beginners, very easy to use. Just simply go to trends.google.com and you will land right here. You can see explore what the world is searching. Here we get the Google Trends and we know what different keywords are, famous and where they are famous, where the traffic is coming from, and in which region what word is trending. So this is also a way to find the low competition keywords. You just need to enter a topic, any topic you want to. Let's say that I want to know about the word software, and we can just type in the word and it will give me the results. The results are organic directly from Google. So here we have our results. You can see software was the word and now it will show me different categories. I can actually customize my search by adding location, by adding time, everything. So here we have interest over time, and these are the different continents we're getting the traffic from, and here we have related keywords and topics. This is where we simply get an idea that what words are doing good, and it's not a conventional way to find the low competition words, but I'm just suggesting you guys that if you go to Google Trends, you will actually get an idea that the word that you're using, if it's, where you will get the traffic from, if it's a trending word or not, what are the different topics that are trending right now, and you can find the best keyword for your blog, for your business, for whatever you are going to do. So this is a very good way to find low competition keywords and to find the right keywords for your business. Let's move on to the next platform, which is Moz.com. Now, Moz.com is also a keyword research tool that allows you to find the right keywords and find low competition keywords. Simply go to Moz.com and you will land right here. There are different free SEO tools available as well, and you will be able to just find the right keywords. You can analyze the keyword by search volume, you can generate and save keyword list, you can export your data, find keywords in question format as well, sort by predictive keyword metrics, preview SERP details by keywords too. You can also check the keyword difficulty, take your SEO strategy global, and perform competitive keyword analysis. So these are the different features we are getting with Moz. Moz also has its own pricing plan, or you can sign up with your Google account or your email address. And then you just enter a keyword right here. For example, skincare or anything like that. Just search for it and it will give you the results. So this is how we use Moz.com to find low competition keywords. It's a pretty good platform for beginners, and I would suggest you guys to check it out to find the right keywords for your business and to find low competition keywords. Moving on, we have Samrush. Now, Samrush.com is also one of the most famous SEO platform out there and a platform to help you find low competition keywords. You can use Samrush for free as well, and there is a pricing plan available. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address. When it comes to the features, we are getting our own keyword research. This is where we find the low competition keywords. Then on-page SEO, competitor analysis available, local SEO, content marketing, rank tracking, content creation and distribution, marketing analysis, PPC keyword research, website monetization, and paid advertising. So all of these different features are available and you can get started for free on Samrush. So Samrush is actually a very good platform for beginners to find the low competition keyword. You just type in the word right here. For example, I can just type the word skincare, right? And we can just click on start now and it will show me the results for this keyword. And this way I will be able to find the low competition keywords and see which keyword is actually doing pretty good and which keyword is not that effective for my business. So yeah, go ahead and check out samrush.com and check out all of the other platforms that I showed you today. This was a tutorial for you guys to show you how to find the low competition keyword with the different tools that are available out there. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.